we are gonna make a vegetarian pasta dish. No meat. Enjoy. What's going on, guys? It's Larry here for the Leroy channel and the Leroy Systems Lifestyle Management Program. What we got today is a pasta salad, or it's really just a basic pasta salad. It's bow tie pasta with some vegetables, peas, carrots, broccoli, and a red wine vinaigrette. Nothing special, right? Good. Totaling roughly about 350 calories, you hear her say, per serving. What I have here should add up to about 8 servings, so it's about 340, 350 calories per serving. However, you could change everything based on what you use. I used a low-fat mayonnaise when I did this recipe. I didn't account for that when I did the caloric calculations, so it's probably a little bit less. That's a bonus. Rock on. Have a nice day. Broccoli, fresh broccoli works the best. Frozen broccoli, too much water. Frozen peas are good if you could get the edamame and break them out and do the thing. 1,000 times better. However, it's time consuming and a little bit of an issue. This whole thing took me from start to finish maybe 40 minutes. Maybe. So, boil the pasta, add the chopped up carrots, add the broccoli, add the peas, drain it, cool it off to stop the cooking process, pour it into a dish, add the cheese to it. Low-fat mozzarella cheese works great here. Do that, and then add your dressing, which is the 1/3 of a cup mayonnaise. Use low-fat mayonnaise, even reduces calories tremendously. Red wine vinegar, olive oil, sugar. Toss it all together. Have a nice day, and you have yourself a great cold dinner or medium warm dinner. You could heat it up and give yourself some some warmth, or you could take it to work with you and have it cold or room temp. It actually works out perfectly. I've done it multiple ways. You really want to get into it, you could add grilled chicken to it, but we didn't do it on this time. Oh, there's grape tomatoes in here too, so just adding in that vegetable. So many variations that you could do with this that is just going to make it better for you, and hope you enjoy it. It's very simple. It's straight to the point. Boil everything, cool everything off, mix everything together, and enjoy. There's not really a big deal with that. So until next time, this is Larry for the Leroy channel, Leroy Systems Lifestyle Management Program. Way too much stuff going on. And catch you on the flip side. All right.